If your Samsung Smart TV is unable to connect to your phone hotspot such that whenever you come over to the settings and then just try to connect your Samsung Smart TV to your mobile phone hotspot, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, but whenever it searches for available Wi-Fi network, you're unable to find the name of your hotspot over here, then in this video I am going to give you a perfect solution that will fix this issue for both your Android phone and your iPhone. And first things first, it is important to note that this is just a compatibility issue with your phone and some models of Samsung Smart TV. So to fix this issue on your iPhone, what you want to do is to just go over to the settings of your iPhone, and then you just want to go over to the personal hotspot settings over here, click on it, and then you want to make sure that maximize compatibility is actually turned on the hotspot settings. Now obviously the reason why your Samsung Smart TV cannot find your iPhone hotspot is basically because of the compatibility issue. So you want to make sure that you turn on maximize compatibility, which will most likely make your iPhone now compatible with the model of Samsung Smart TV you have. Now once this is done, you're good to go. And once you're done, you want to come over to your Samsung Smart TV again, go over to the settings and then just come over to general and then to connection settings over here. Now go ahead and try connecting your Samsung Smart TV to your iPhone hotspot again by just clicking on wireless and allow it to search. And trust me, this time around you're going to find out that your hotspot will now be available for your Samsung Smart TV to connect to. And if you're using an Android phone, to fix this issue, what you want to do is to just go over to the settings of your Samsung Smart TV, and then from the settings come over to the network settings. From general come over to network and then just go over to reset network settings over here, click on it, and then you want to go ahead and click on reset. Now this will automatically reset the network settings of your Samsung Smart TV so you can now connect to new hotspot networks. So go ahead and click on reset. And once it is done resetting, you want to go ahead and click on close. Now come over to your phone again and then make sure that your hotspot is actually turned on. So go ahead and make sure that the hotspot of your Android phone is now turned on. Now what you want to do is to come over to your Samsung Smart TV. Go ahead and try connecting your Samsung Smart TV to a Wi-Fi network again by just clicking on open network settings over here. Now go ahead and select wireless. And now your Samsung Smart TV should be able to find the name of the hotspot of your Android phone. And as you can see over here, my hotspot is actually Redmi 12, and that is why you can see Redmi 12 over there. Go ahead and click on it, and once I enter my password, trust me, it is going to connect properly to the hotspot of my Android phone. And you can see it works absolutely well. Now if this solution does not work out for you for your Android phone, another option you want to try doing is to go ahead and just reset your Samsung Smart TV. So to do that, you want to go over to the general settings and then just scroll over to reset over here, click on it. And once you enter the 000 code that is being displayed on your TV, you should be able to reset your Samsung Smart TV. But one thing you have to note is that this process will automatically delete all of the information and apps on your Samsung Smart TV. But most likely it will fix this issue for your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.